Hello to the viewers. This maths is intended for grades 3, 4, and 5. The topic is about reducing the fraction to its lowest term. So I have here number 1, 3 over 12. I need to find a number that can be divided by the numerator and denominator. So this will be 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So, for number 1 is equal to 1 over 4. How about number 2? What number can we divide the numerator and denominator? So, again, this is 3. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. Then 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, my answer for number 2 is 2 over 5. How about number 3? The fraction is 12 over 18. So, I can divide this one by 6. So 12 divided by 6 is 2. And then for the denominator, 18 divided by 6 is 3. So I have 2 over 3 for number 3. How about number 4? 20 over 25. So I can divide this one by 5. So 20 divided by 5 is 4. And then 25 divided by 5 is 5. So my answer for number 4 is 4 over 5. Number 5, 7 over 21. Divide this one by 7. Divide also the denominator by 7. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So for number 5, the answer is 1 over 3. How about number 6, 14 over 28? 14 can be divided by 14. And then 28 can divide by 14. So 14 divided by 14 is 1. 28 divided by 14 is 2. So that's the answer for number 6. Now let's proceed to letter B for exercise number. Okay, let's proceed to letter B for exercise number 1. Fill in the box with the symbol of greater than, less than, or equal to. For number 1, I have here 4 over 7 at the left side, and at the right side, 5 over 9. So to solve this one, it's a matter of cross multiplication. So I need to cross multiply this one. 4 times 9 is 36. So 36 should be placed at the left side. And 5 times or 7 times 5, that will be equal to 35. So which is greater, 36 or 35? So 36. So I need to use this kind of symbol. So this is greater than. So the answer for number 1 is greater than. Okay? How about number 2? I have two fractions. Which one is greater? Is it 8 over 5 or 7 over 2? So again, I need to cross multiply 8 by 2. So this is 16. And then cross multiply 5 times 7. So this will be 35. So we know that 35 is greater than 16. So we will use this kind of symbol. This is less than. So for number 2, 8 over 5 is less than 7 over 2. Okay, let's proceed to number 3. Number 3, I have two fractions. 5 over 6 at the left side, and then at the right side is 20 over 24. So I need to cross multiply 5 times 24. So what is 24 times 5? So this will be 4 times 5 is 20, carry 2. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is 12. So for this is 120 at the left side, and then cross multiply this one. 20 times 6. So this will be 0, 12. So I have 120 also. So therefore, I will use equal to. So this will be equal. Next, number 4. I have here 3 over 2 and 9 over 5. So cross multiply 3 times 5 is 15. And then going up, 2 times 9 is 18. So which one is greater? So greater will be this one. So I will use this kind of symbol, less than. So 3 over 2 is less than 9 over 5. How about number 5? Number 5 is 39 over 10. And then 84 over 19. Cross multiply this one. So 39 times 19. 9 times 9 is 81, carry 8. 3 times 9 is 27. 27 plus 8. This is 15, carry 1. So 35. So this will be 35. And then 1 times 9 is 9. 1 times 3 is 3. So 1. This is 14, carry 1. 741. So at the left side, I mean 741. How about going up? So 10 times 84. So 10 times 84. Okay? So this 84 will be multiplied to 1. So this will be 84. And then just copy the 0. So you have 840. So which is greater? 840 or 741? So this is greater. So for number 5, the symbol that I will use is less than. Number 6. Number 6 is 5 over 7. Then I have the box 6 over 5. This will be cross multiplied down 25 at the left side and then right side. 7 times 6 is 42. So which is greater? This is 42, right? So we'll use the symbol. So for number 6, 5 over 7 and 6 over 5, meaning 5 over 7 is less than 6 over 5. Number 7, 6 over 11. And then 2 over 5. Again, this will be cross multiply. 6 times 5 is 30. 11 times 2 is 22. So this one is bigger compared to 22. So I will use this kind of symbol which is greater than. So 6 over 11 is greater than 2 over 5. Number 8. Number 8 is 15 over 25. And then this will be 6 over 37, which is greater. So again, we have to cross multiply this one. 15 times 37. So this will be 5 times 7 is 35. Carry 3. 1 times 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 3 times 5 is 15. Carry 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1, 4. So this will be 5, 5, and then this is 5. So this is 555. How about 25 times 6? 25 times 6. So this is 30. Carry 3. 2 times 6 is 12. Plus 3, 15. So this is 150. So I will use the symbol greater than because 555 is greater than 150. So the symbol for number 8 is greater than. It means 15 over 25 is greater than 6 over 37. So that's all for this kind of topic.